I'm going to use the Smashbox Color Correcting Blend Primer. This one says color correcting, but it kind of has like a smoothing like texture to it. For foundation, I'm going to take the Kat Von D foundation again, and I actually dropped it and broke it, and it came out of the little thing. It still works. And I'm going to use this Sigma flat angled F88 Kabuki brush to apply that. I like this brush a lot better than the, what is it, F80, I think, brush. Concealer, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer, and I'm going to use the color Light, the shade Light. Have you guys seen this month's Boxycharm? It is fire. I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to use, came with the setting powder that I'm going to try right now. And then it came with a flat iron, a mini flat iron. How cute is that? That is really cute. I was so excited that it came with that. That's so cool. Their boxes have been really good lately. Like if you guys sign up right now in the month of December, you'll get that box. It's a really good box. It comes with a lip liner and it comes with a Tarte lip gloss, which, I mean, the boxes, if you sign up with the link in the description box, you will get free shipping, and the box is $21. So, I mean, the Tarte lip gloss alone costs like 20 bucks on it by itself. And it also comes with an activated charcoal mask, a detox mask, which is cool. But I was really excited about the flat iron. I don't know, but one of the products that's in those boxes are worth more than the $21 the box cost alone. So the setting powder that was in this month's Boxycharm is from Pretty Vulgar, and it's called the Powder Room Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. So I'm going to set my under eyes and a little bit around my face with this. Thinking about maybe doing some vlogs, start vlogging a little bit, trying to vlog. But then I'm like, everything I do is just so boring. It's like, I don't think anybody would really watch it. It's just like mom stuff. I don't go to any of the events anymore because I don't have a babysitter. So it's just everything I do is just strictly like mom related stuff. So I don't really think anybody would watch. I don't know. I'm a little late to this party, but I'm finally trying the Huda Beauty Nude palette, and I also used this brush. I'm not sure what it's called. It's a double-ended brush. I will try to have it linked in the description box. I'm using one side of it, and I'm taking the color Teddy to kind of do a light transition shade, and I'm mainly concentrating it on the inner part of my eye because that's where I want that half cut crease to go. And then I'm going to take another Huda Beauty brush. Again, it's double-ended. And the smaller part of it, I'm going to take the darkest purple from the palette and kind of just run it into my crease. But just, again, focusing it on the inner corner. Just like I would do a normal cut crease, but I'm just kind of going only halfway. And then I just blended out the edges of that with the previous brush that I used first. And then one of the coolest things I think about this palette is that it has the little concealer in it to kind of carve out any, to make your eyeshadow pop basically. I used it to carve out the half cut crease or whatever, I don't even know what to call it, but I carved out the cut crease with it. I think that's pretty cool to have it. And then they also have a Huda Beauty brush that has this like little rubber black tip. I forgot to use it in the beginning, but I seen it when I was already almost done and I wanted to try it, and it actually works pretty good, especially for the concealer. I thought that was pretty cool. And then I'm going to mix these two lightest matte shades in the palette and just kind of go over my whole eyelid with those two colors. And I do try to have everything listed in the description box as much as possible, so don't forget to check that out. I'm not sure what the name of this one is. I can't really see it, but I'm going to take that color, the purplish pink color, next to the darkest purple color that I used in the beginning, and the Huda Beauty brush, and I'm just running that along my lash line and kind of blending it upward. So I'm applying most of the color towards the bottom and then just blending it upwards. And then with the other brush, I'm taking the darkest purple color, or the purple color next to it, and just doing basically the same thing, but I'm trying to concentrate it just on the lower lash line. And I packed it on until I got the intensity that I wanted. And then I also applied that to my lower lash line. And by the way, I really like these brushes. I don't really normally like double-ended brushes, but these brushes were really good. The quality is really good and they worked really well. So I actually liked them. And then in my inner corner, I just added a little bit of the highlight that I will be using later. And then on my waterline, I used an Urban Decay eyeliner, like a purple eyeliner. No. Okay, for bronzer, I'm going to use the NARS Laguna bronzer again. I used it, I think, in, I don't know, a recent video. And I'm going to use that again. God, my forehead. This line on my forehead. I forgot how much I like this bronzer. For blush, I'm going to use Benefit's Rocketeer blush. For highlighter, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette in Golden Sands. And I'm going to mix these two right here. I'm going to kind of mix them. I think technically this is a blush, but I'm going to mix them. And I forgot to contour my nose again. Put some of that on my nose. Whoa. Lips, I wanted to do something dark. I'm going to try the Dose of Colors, the Mickey collection in Infinite, which is like a darker, like, I don't even know, it's just darker maroon color. And then on top, I wanted to try the gloss from the collection in Moi. So, which is kind of like a, I can't think today, like an orangish, goldish color. I don't know. Just, ow, my foot's asleep. I'm gonna use Berry Wine from LA Girl. Okay, it's looking more of a purple, but I'm still gonna keep it. Okay, I'm gonna try this gloss on top. It's pretty glossy.